How to make no one can view your like list on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can view your like list on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and then click who can view my like list, and last one, this one, click on it and then just go back, and that's it. This is of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.